Good morning, students of class 6. Previous classes I have sent a video, that is part 9, related with exercise 5.9. Now today I am going to send answer related with exercise 5.10. So the first question I am going to solve. First question is there. First, find A. So this one A is there. 15 divided by 3 by 5. My dear student, how can you solve? You have studied division will change into its reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will change into denominator and denominator will change into numerator. So 15 into 5 will go up and 3 will come down. 15 if you will divide with 3, 5 will come and numerator multiply by numerator. 5 into 5, what is your answer? 25 will come. It is clear? First I have done. Second, A, find 15. Second, find I is there. A 15 by 8 divided by 5. My dear student, what I say? Number will become its reciprocal. 15 by 8 into 1 by 5. 15 it will divide with 5. 3 will come. 3 into 1. 3 by 3 into 1 3 by 8. This is your answer. It is clear? Understood? Now question number I am going to solve 3. 3, find A is there. 7 by 9 divided by 14 by 3. My dear student, what you will do? Reciprocal division will change into multiplication. So 7 by 9 into 3 will go up and 14 will come. Now the number which is equal. So now 9 you divide 3 divided by 3, but then 1. And 9 you will divide with 3. So 3 will come. 7 you will divide 14. 14 you will divide with 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. And 14, then 2. Your answer is 1 by 6. 1 into 1, 1. And 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. So your answer is 1 by 6. It is clear? Understood now? Now see this one. Question number 4. 4 is given the product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is equal to 42. Okay? The product of two numbers is 42. One number is equal to given 2 4 by 5. Change into mixed fraction. 2 into 5, 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. Other number is equal to other number is going to ask. Other number is equal to what you can write, my dear student? 42 divided by 14 by 5. Sorry, 14 by 5. Now 42 into 5 will go up, 14 will come down. 14 to 3, 42 will divide by 14, 3 will come, 5 into 3, 15 is your answer. It is clear? Understood now? Now question number 4 I have done. Now 10 is there. 10. Question number 10. Distance traveled. Distance traveled by a car that is given 208 kilometer. Time is given here. Time is equal to time. What is given? Time is equal to time taken. Time is equal to 4 1 by 3 hours. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 12 plus 1. 13 by 3 hours. Distance. A speed is asking. A speed of a car in 1 hour. Going to ask. So you have studied a speed is equal to distance divided by time. Listen, distance is here. What is distance? 208 divided by 13 by 3 divided by 13 by 3. 208 into 3 will go up, reciprocal, division will change into multiplication, and 13 will go. 16 into 3, 48 kilometers. What is your answer? Therefore, distance covered by a car in 1 hour, that is equal to 48 kilometers. This is your answer. Clear? Any problem? Now, question number 15. What is question number 15? Please listen, 15 is there. Here A to B is going. The distance between A to B, let the distance let the distance be x kilometer. I am not. X kilometer. What is there? After traveling 2 by 5 of journey, Joy found a steel. He still had to cover 15 kilometer. What is the total distance? Let the distance be x kilometer. Or you can write it, let the total distance be x kilometer. Now according to question, x kilometer is 2 by 5th of the journey, and 2 by 5 into x. 2 by 5th here travel, and after that also 15 kilometer is left. Total distance is x. 2 by 5th here. What you do? Do it in equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 by 5 we have covered, and then this distance from here to here, it is 50 kilometers. Means 2 by 5 into x. Now simplify. What will be LCM is 5. 5x minus 2x is equal to 15. 3x, 5x minus 2x, 3x by 5 is equal to 15. 3x is equal to 15. By cross multiplication, 5 will write. So x is equal to what you will write? 15 into 5 by 3. Means 15 you will divide with 3 5. So x is equal to 25. What is the unit? You will get the distance. What is the distance? X is equal to 25 kilometers. It is clear? Understood? Now my dear students, I am going to solve now exercise 5.11. First question is there. First is there. Simplify the following. Simplify the listen. First question is there. 3 by 5 divided by 2 3 by 5 of 1 by. My dear student, what we will do first? Change into, it is given mixed fraction, so change into improper fraction. 3 into 5, 15 plus 1, 16 by 5, right? Divided by 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, 30 by 5 plus of 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 by 5. See this one, my dear student, 16 by 5 divided by 13 into 3, 39 by what you will write 10. Now again what you will do? So 16 by 5 into 10 will go, number will become reciprocal, 10 will go up, 39 will come down. Now 5 you can divide 10, 2 will come, 16 into 2, what will come? 32 by 39. This is your, it is clear? One I have done. Okay. Now, what I am telling my dear student, please try to solve. Monday I will take test, so revision do. If you have problem, Monday you ask, I will help you. Thank you.